Unlocking confidence. You can handle this, explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make English learning easy and fun for you. Today, we're diving into a very empowering phrase. You can handle this. It's a phrase packed with encouragement and support, but what does it really mean, especially for English language learners like you? Let's explore together and unlock its full potential. At first glance, you can handle this might seem straightforward. However, it carries deep meaning. To handle something means to manage, deal with, or take care of it effectively. So, when someone tells you, you can handle this, they're expressing their belief in your ability to manage a situation or challenge successfully. It's not just about surviving the challenge. It's about thriving through it with competence and grace. This phrase is incredibly versatile and can be used in various contexts. Personal challenges. Whether it's preparing for an exam, facing a job interview, or dealing with a difficult situation, you can handle this, serves as a reminder of your strength and capabilities. Professional settings. In the workplace, this encouragement can boost confidence before a big presentation or a challenging project, emphasizing trust in one's professional skills. Supporting others. It's also a powerful way to offer support. Telling someone, you can handle this, is a way of saying you believe in them, which can significantly uplift their spirits and confidence. Let's put this into context with some examples. Example 1. Your friend is nervous about moving to a new city. You say, you can handle this. You're great at making new friends and adapting to new environments. Example 2. A colleague is worried about leading a project for the first time. You encourage them by saying, you can handle this. Your organizational skills and dedication are exactly what this project needs. These examples show how the phrase can be customized to fit different scenarios, making it a versatile tool in your English language arsenal. You can handle this is more than just a phrase. It's a beacon of support and confidence. Whether you're on the giving or receiving end, its impact is profound. We hope this video has not only helped you understand its meaning but also inspired you to use it in your daily conversations. Remember, English is a journey, and with phrases like this, you're well equipped to handle any challenge that comes your way. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.